हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज मेरे साथ सृष्टि है। ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज 5 साल का वर्क एक्स है इनका एंड इन्होंने वेलिंकर चूज़ किया सी मैट के थ्रू एंड 27 लाख की इनकी सैलरी लगी है। तो बहुत सारी बातें होंगी इनके साथ जहाँ पे हम ये बात करेंगे कि यार बहुत सारे जो मिथ मिसकंसेप्शन है वी गोना ब्रेक दैट फॉर श्योर। एंड इतना अच्छा प्रोफाइल होने के बाद भी शी चोज मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट, है ना, विच इज़ लाइक अ नॉन कोर प्रोग्राम, थोड़ा हल्के में लिया जाता है उसको, है ना। सो जैसे मोस्टली पीजीपी कोर वगैरह मिल जाता है तो सही लगता है। बट माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू सृष्टि, व्हाई वुड यू चूज वेलिंकर? Even before that, I would ask, like, why would you do MBA after 5 years of WorkX? Why not exec? Or why not? I mean, why would you go for 2 years full time?
Okay, so I started my career from the edtech industry. I then switched to advertising industry where I worked for about 3 to 4 years into client relations and digital marketing. So that gave me a lot of exposure, how to talk, how to deal with clients, how to uh, solve like on ground problems. So all this exposure helped me a lot to understand my own strengths, weaknesses, where my interests lie, where am I good at. So keeping all of those things in mind, I wanted to approach my masters and utilize those skills. And so the main idea of going into masters was to learn the concepts behind what I was actually applying on ground. So when I was working, a lot of people came from a certain management background and they seemed to have a certain edge over me because they had some concepts which I was not clear of. I was just doing things out of common sense or whatever I was learning on the go, right? But when I actually came and studied certain concepts, certain management theories, so all of those things started to create the bigger picture.
Now, I'm sorry to interrupt, but this is exactly what happens. That even after working for 5 years, if you do your MBA properly, nicely, and legit way, mein, then everything will start making sense to you. People do underestimate the books in MBA, but I think that makes a lot of sense if you have the ability to connect it with the practical world. So thank you so much for mentioning that. Go ahead.
So yes, I think that was the whole idea of going for a full-time MBA even after 4 to 5 years of work.
Did you work with any media houses by any chance?
I did. I worked on a lot of projects. So in that, I again worked with the marketing team. I worked with the celebrity team. So
Nice.
that again gave me a very core glimpse of what the media is all about. And so the media industry in itself has a lot of flavors. So that again, plus I come from a certain music background, then advertising again plays a very major role in media. So keeping all those things in mind, I chose to go for media and entertainment program.
Okay. So, again, this is going to be a follow up question. Why would you choose Wellinger after having 5 years of work? Is because market misconception or conception bolo, kuch bhi bolo, perception bolo, is that when you go to 5 years of work, you got to go for like tier one, IAMs, new IAMs, baby IAMs, yada, 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 why would you choose Wellinger? Because a lot of people with 4, 5, 3 years of work ex, they are gunning for Wellinger as an option. So, they want to know your story.
A number of reasons. First of all, Wellinger has a reputation of its own. It has a legacy of its own. It is quite a reputed college in Mumbai. Secondly, I wanted to be in Mumbai. Third, because of the media and entertainment program, which not many colleges still offer. So all these things.
But media and entertainment वाले पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करते हैं या फिर बस मीडिया मीडिया चलते रहता है पूरे 2 साल? Like how's your curriculum?
Okay, so media has a lot of misconception. Ki it's all about fun and glamour
please
and
clear
pomp
that.
and show. So it's not just that. Media has a lot of nuances which other specializations might not be aware of, or they might not know. For example, media has its specific media planning, media buying processes. So when we talk about sales, usually the first thing that comes to someone's mind is going on ground, selling a product or something. But when it comes to media sales, we are not selling a physical object. We are selling time and space.
Services,
So
yeah.
the approach of selling time space slots is very different from selling maybe a product or a service. So those things, how to go about those things, are something which is completely alien to all the other programs, I feel.
My next question is going to be, I mean, I should not be asking you this question, but still I want to make a mention because a lot of people believe that, if you're a 5 years of work ex or maybe 4 years of work ex, tier 2 might not be the right choice for you. And people would be struggling in tier 2 if you go with, bada number of work ex. Did you struggle for your placement here? Or was it like smooth for you?
I gave my first interview of the season and I cracked it.
Okay.
So
Awesome.
for me, honestly, by God's grace and all the blessings, it was not that much of a struggle. At the same time, I think I was quite focused. I like when you have worked for so many years, you have seen the world, you know how it's out there, how competitive it is going to be. So you are very much prepared and focused that what you are aiming for in life. So I was pretty clear on that from the very beginning.
Is it because your profile and the job that you were going for had in sync? Did that help you?
Kind of.
Okay.
Plus, so for me personally, I'm always ready to explore. I am that kind of person. And this was a new industry for me. It is technically a retail industry. But the role is related to leadership and strategy, which again
Nice.
is something that is not new entirely to me and is in sync with my interests. So that is why I went ahead.
Can you explain a little bit more about your role if you have an idea if the company has disclosed it?
Honestly, not. I
Okay.
do not have a very.
But at what
in-depth
level you
idea.
are? Are you going to be at a middle level, upper middle level, lower middle level, or at a beginning level?
So I'll be reporting directly to the CEO. So
Holy
I'm.
shit.
So
This is
I'm.
good.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's mid or senior level.
So great profile, yaar. Even Wellinger has, people with great profile. तो थोड़ा हल्के में मत लेना, ठीक है? So you're watching this. Cool है. My last question to you for the day would be: a lot of people with 4 years of work ex, 5 years of work ex are in dilemma. के tier 2 ज्वाइन करे या फिर वेलिंगर टाइप्स बी स्कूल ज्वाइन करे, अंदर जाके प्लेसमेंट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. What piece of advice you would like to give it to them so that they get ready for their MBA journey because they're in dilemma, they're skeptical, करना है नहीं करना है.
I think it doesn't matter what college you're going to. It does to some extent, but give it your best, and you always get what you are capable of and prepared for. So if you are prepared for it, you'll crack
True
the
that.
best of your capability.
True that. But Srishti, were you juggling between the stuff कि यार मतलब academics भी हैं, 5 साल के बाद academics करना थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाता है work ex के बाद, या फिर you were like confident कि यार मेरा तो 5 साल का work ex है, मेरा तो हो ही जाएगा. Like, are you somebody who just woke up right a month before placement, or you're somebody who've been working really hard from day when you got into Wellinger for your final placement? What was your attitude?
For me, it has not been very tough when it comes to the academics part because I am someone who likes to read.
Nice.
So studying was not very difficult for me. Plus, I feel after working for quite many years, the studies of MBA are not that tough.
हाँ, because practically align हो जाता है.
Because you understand. You are not just, trying
Mugging
to
up stuff.
memorize or mugging up. Whatever you are reading, you are easily able to understand what they're talking about. And you have points that you can link it to. So I feel after certain work ex, MBA studies are not that tough. Of course, they are not that easy
Easy
also.
though, yeah.
But you can do it. As in, you won't find it like
Okay.
not rocket science.
So finally happy. 5 years of work ex, lot of struggle, hardship, and getting
All the
into
struggle
27
worth it.
LPA.
Yeah.
How does it feel now?
Great. That's what I aimed for.
Cool, yaar. Awesome, man. Thank you so very much, Srishti, for giving some time. Wish you all the very best. And guys, make sure that you like this video and share with your friends. Thank you so much, Srishti. Thank you.